Before we had Brilion, we had a lot of issues with scheduling, finding the right crew, and also invoicing was frankly a nightmare. Yeah, we had to do it manually, so now everything goes automatically, so really it's a big help. One of the biggest benefits we have with Brilion was the payment collection. The system sent automatically SMS and also email reminders for outstanding amounts. Customers can pay through our website or through our mobile app. Brilion have really a great support team. They answer all the questions 24/7. They're always available. I'm really happy with their support team. Their server has never been down, and since it's on cloud, we can really access it from everywhere. Everything is very transparent to the office, so I can see who is deleting, who has access to accounts, and I can actually see who has access to all of my clients. Yeah, I'm really very happy with our service. I'm for sure we will continue. The support is effortless, so whatever we come up with, we get support, we get help, we process the whole thing together, you know, we grow together. Right. So I'm really happy with Brilion, so for sure, yes, we will continue.